This is Vasanthwalder AS, founder and director of Shrestha Education and Charitable Trust and Institute of Learning Sindanur. Today, I would like to discuss one of the topic that was included in the syllabus of Program Specialization Pathway in C20 syllabus of Civil Engineering, that is Town Planning and Green Building. As we already know, town planning is a planning and a design of new buildings, roads, parks, and etc. in order to create a beautiful environments and beautiful atmospheric conditions to the people who live there. And why town planning is required means to create a beautiful environment and to create very convenient and reliable to the people who live there. Most important foremost thing for the city development is absolutely we can say town planning is the best option. Without town planning, we can't get the development of the city. We will get the development of the city with the proper usage of, or with the proper guidance of, or with the proper town planning and actual thing. As I can say, as a civil engineer, the most important and foremost thing of development of the city is absolutely 100% town planning. What are the objectives of town planning is health, convenience, beauty and environment. These are the objectives of town planning. And what are the types of town planning is? First one, local planning. What is local planning means? According to the conditions of the city. Means, conditions of the city means it should be nearest to the bank and nearest to shopping malls and nearest to some of the reliable conditions like hospital, bank and etc. Some of the conditions which are very suitable to the town planning and nearest to the bus stand, railway station and everything and compatible to make journeys and compatible to make and shopping and everything whatever it comes under the locality, it is or we can call local planning. And second one, country planning. Country planning means it will be under of village planning. To develop a village, we need country planning. Or we can say in agriculture farmlands, etc. In these conditions, village to the town, and this is the country planning. And third one, regional planning. Regional planning where we can see means in the hydroelectric power stations or in the village areas and agriculture areas where the hydro stations are included, there will be chances of doing a regional planning. And fourth one, national planning. National planning is where we can do irrigation projects, railway projects, and agriculture projects. Whatever it comes under agriculture, everything will come under national planning. And last one is international planning. According to UNO, United Nations Organization, international planning means development of the city in a high-end system way, in a highly qualified way, means highly technology way. In getting so much technological gadgets are getting so much technological things like solar power stations, like something etc. Whatever it comes under advanced technology, everything it comes under international planning. I am going to the main content of the video to get this internship of town planning. What we can train you in this course period is what are the skills required for town planner. We will teach you everything, what are the skills required for town planning and what are the permissions from government you should take and mandatory documents and according to the government permits what you should do as a civil engineer or we can say what you should do as a town planner. Everything we are going to tell you the skills and good verbal and communication skills and as well interpersonal skills and what are the equipments to do the town planning. We will also train you in a practical way. Completely our internship period or training period completely undergoes on-site and completely practical oriented way because we used to train a student in a practical way because in a theoretical way student will not get an idea. In a practical way student will get a perfect idea about town planning. And then project management skills and commercial awareness skills and town planning conditions and permits, everything we are going to explain. And some of the softwares we are going to explain is SketchUp, Google Earth and ArchiCAD and GIS Urban, Space Syntax, Urbano, Lumion, City Engine. These are the softwares we are going to train you in the course period. These are the skills of town planning. and everything we are going to tell in the course period of your internship. And one thing I would like to tell about green building is, in recent years, green building has become very popular trend because it is very environment friendly, and most in the cities or in the villages or in some areas like metropolitan cities, most of the offices or most of the apartments or most of the houses or villas, everything that owner are demanding for are getting trend of so much is required for green building. Because environment only protects us, not food protects us. Environment only, because we will take oxygen from the environment. If environment get collapses means where we will get oxygen, like that we have to think. And green building is becoming very popular trend in recent years. Some of the components are there in a green building. What are the components mean? What are the components of green building is, first one, aluminium weather resistant insulated access panel. It helps to regulate an indoor temperature or it helps to regulate an inner temperature. Means in the house there will be some different conditions of temperatures, and this aluminum resistant panel will protect our temperature in a different climatic conditions and different conditions way. And second one, energy efficient windows. Energy efficient windows are reduce mostly used to reduce heat loss in a home. When there is a conditions of heat loss in a home, there will be a perfect home to live with eco-friendly homes. And third one, green roof. Green roof helps us to reduce and temperature from storm water, or we can say reduces heat temperature from the sun. It helps us to get a less temperature, that is we can call green roof. And fourth one component of green building is solar power. Upside of the building there will be solar components. It will help us to not to get an electricity for our house. It will get an solar power. Solar power is very heavy power, and consumption of solar power is very best to our health and very eco-friendly solar power. Solar power is a renewable energy source that heats and cools a home and provides electricity. Solar power is becoming increasingly affordable, and it is a great way to reduce your carbon footprint. Of green building, there is an internship opportunity for town planning and green building. If you want this internship opportunity in our institute or in your college means, click on this link below. I will provide in the description box. Fill the form and enroll your college, and we will schedule and we will provide the classes, and we will train you as a good town planner and green building in a career of civil engineering. Thank you. This was Walter Hayes. And another important thing I would like to discuss here, if you want this internship means, we offer in the two modes. The two modes are, first one in the institute itself called Institute of Learning. It is our institute. In this Institute of Learning, how you will get training means, there are two periods. First one is there is 6 months, and then second one 13th week that was included in the DT syllabus, means 1 week of internship or 1 week of project period. And in this, what we are going to train you is, in the institute means you will get the benefits of, there are digitalized classrooms with the projector wheel classes, and then high-end systems with the high-end softwares also, and then relevant field softwares installed in our systems, and then director's cabin to have face-to-face. If you have any doubts means you can clear with me to face-to-face, and then online services you will get from reception, and then accommodation facility for boys and as well girls. We do have hostel facility and then PG facility also. Or if you want, you can stay in the room. That will also we will provide accordingly. And these are the benefits what you can take in the institute for internship. And second mode is in the college itself. In the college means we will only directly come to your college and we will only train you there. In your classrooms with a projector we can train you in your classrooms only. and then every equipment we will only bring and we will only train you there. Because as we have trained 49 plus colleges in the past earlier days, we have completed 3,500 plus students in the Karnataka, and in the so many colleges I have given internships and job placements also, and then 2,500 plus students in the online stream of internship, as we can call, that is as industrial training for civil engineers, or we can call in plant training also. You can get in the college itself, and everything I have trained in the college only. Now only we are going to offer in the institute itself. These are the two options one individual can select in the two modes of internship. One is institute and second one is in the college. Benefits of taking internship from our institute, or we can say from our company, what are the benefits we can offer is: first one, complete practical oriented teaching and complete practical oriented atmosphere. And then second one, you will get everything practical knowledge regarding to the relevant field of specialized pathway. And third one, report and project report, everything you will get. And fourth one, job placement, this is assured job placement. And fifth one, ISO certificate and institute government approved certificate that you will get from AICTE New Delhi board. And sixth one, career counseling after internship. Seventh point, mention software training and software creep. Absolutely, we will provide after the period of internship. And then we will provide absolutely 26 plus videos in the online, as we have designed platform in the online itself. You will get 26 plus videos about industrial knowledge for civil engineers. And the ninth one, 17 plus videos of implant training you will get in the online only. And then next, we will offer oral communication skills and interpersonal skills and how to speak in English, how to face interview. We will provide life skills training, 9 plus videos. It is also absolutely free. These are the benefits you will get when you have enrolled for the internship of any specialization pathway from our institute. Thank you, my dear students. This is Vasant Walter AS.